Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. So today I'm here with a Diwali makeup tutorial, and for today's look I have created this beautiful brown smoky eye look with smoked out eyeliner and paired it with a vibrant red lipstick. Today's video is a bit different than any of my other video because whatever you see on my face today, I have created the entire look using just one eyeshadow palette, and I have used this Makeup Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose palette to create the entire look. It's just a quick little reminder that you do not need to have a lot of products to create some pretty looks. You can use whatever you have in your collection and you can just create so many beautiful looks. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. For my brows, I'm mixing this matte black shade and this matte brown shade together, and I'm just filling up the gaps and sparse areas using this angled brush from Morphe. The reason why I decided to use this particular palette for today's video is, first of all, I love this eyeshadow palette. The pigmentation is spot on. It's heavily pigmented. The mattes are like butter. They are really smooth. They are not chalky. They are not powdery at all. The shimmers are really metallic. You can totally see the shimmers are beautiful. In short, it's like one of the best drugstore eyeshadow palettes that I have ever used. And look, my brow is looking pretty good, right? And now I'm going to carve out the brows using a concealer. The concealer that I'm using is from Milani. This step is totally optional. If you want to skip it, you can totally skip it, but for me personally, it's kind of compulsory whenever I'm doing a full glam look. It just makes my brows look really sharp and defined. I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows. That is coming up next. You can totally use any eyeshadow primer, but I personally like to use my concealers as my eyeshadow primer, and I'm just setting the concealer with a little bit of loose powder. For my eyes, first I'm taking this light brown shade. This is a beautiful warm toned brown color from the palette, and with a large fluffy blending brush from Morphe, I'm applying it as my transition color. And you can see, though it's a very light color, it still has got a very nice pigmentation and it's showing up pretty nicely on my skin tone. I'm taking this rust color. It's a beautiful orangish reddish rust color, and with the same brush I'm applying it as on my crease, actually slightly above my crease because I have hooded eyes, and taking little by little product I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. I can remember there was one time when I started experimenting with makeup back in 2015, and I had only one eyeshadow palette, that was the Maybelline Nudes palette, and I used to use that particular palette for my brows, for my contour, for my highlight and everything, and I used to use my lipstick as my blush. Whenever you are a beginner, you do not have a lot of option, then you can totally go with whatever you have in your collection, those old memories. And now I'm taking this dark brown shade. It's a beautiful warm toned brown shade, and I'm applying it mainly on my outer V area, and then taking whatever is left on the brush, I'll be applying it on my crease just to define my crease even more. The brush that I'm using is from Morphe. Now I'm taking this shimmery chocolate brown color from the palette, and I'm applying it all over on my eyelid. And you can see, like, I haven't made my brush wet with a setting spray. I haven't used anything. This is just a dry brush, and you can see how metallic, how pigmented that shade is. Now I'm just blending out the edges to have that smokiness. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel eyeliner, and I'm just applying it on my upper lash line. Is it? Anyway, it doesn't have to be perfect because I will be smudging it out anyway. Taking the matte black shade on a smudger brush, I'm just smudging out that eyeliner, and I'm just making it really smoky. And I have been enjoying this smoky eyeliner look lately. I think it looks so sexy, so pretty. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base and then I will return to my eye makeup again. For that, I'm taking this Too Faced Primed and Poreless Primer, and I'm just priming my entire face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago, and I'm fast forwarding these steps because I really wanted to focus on the eyeshadow palette part, so I'm just fast forwarding this step. For color correcting, I used my LA Girl Pro Conceal Orange color corrector. For my foundation, I'm going with this NYX Born to Glow foundation in the shade Classic Tan, and I'm just buffing it in using a damp sponge. This particular sponge is from Wet n Wild, and what a beautiful foundation it is. It gives you medium to full coverage, and it kind of buildable full coverage. It's not matte, though it says it's a glowing foundation, but it's not 100% dewy foundation. According to me, it gives you kind of a natural finish. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same Milani concealer, and I don't know, that black background was not looking that good according to me. That's why I just decided to take it off. Let me know if you like that black background or not. We can always do a little bit of experiment, right? This concealer is beautiful. It's really full coverage. I just love it. To set the concealer, I'm taking this Bharat & Doris loose powder, and with the same sponge, I'm just setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines. To set my entire makeup, I'm taking this Flower Beauty Universal Matte Finishing Powder, and I'm just setting my entire makeup. I'm going to finish my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightening my eyes using the same Maybelline eyeliner, and for that I'm using the handle of an eyeshadow brush. I'm taking this dark brown shade from the palette, and I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line using an angled brush from Puna store. I'm taking the same chocolate brown shade from the palette, and I'm just applying it on the border of the previous shade just to tie the look together. I'm taking this champagne gold shade from the palette, and I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners. I'm just curling my natural lashes with my Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. I will be using falsies off camera. If you are not comfortable using falsies, you can totally skip it. And for my falsies, I'll be using this Kiss Lashes in this style Midnight off camera. And here is the final eye look. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. You can actually wear this look with any of your Western outfits. This is such a universal look. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. For that, first I'm taking this brown shade from the palette with an angled brush. I'm just contouring the perimeters of my face, and this particular shade is not too warm toned, not too cool toned. It is just a perfect shade for contouring, at least for my skin tone. And you can see it's just creating a very natural looking shadow on my face. For my blush, I am taking the same rust color. It's a beautiful orangish rust color, and I'm just applying it on my cheeks. And this is very pigmented, so I'm using a very light hand here, and you can see it's just a beautiful color blush shade for my skin tone. I'm also applying the same shade on my chin as well as on my nose. For highlighter, I'm using the same champagne gold shade from the palette, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face like my cheekbones, chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose as well as the center of my forehead. And you can see it is beautiful. It is such a gorgeous shade and it's perfect for like my skin tone. To set my entire makeup, I'm going with this LA Girl setting spray, and I'm just setting my entire makeup. And I have been enjoying this particular setting spray lately. It has become my current favorite setting spray. And for my lips, I am using my Rimmel Stay Satin liquid lipstick in the shade Firestarter, I believe. It's such a stunning red lipstick. And here is the final look. I truly loved how the entire look came together. Again, you can totally create this look for your Western outfits as well. And if you plan to recreate any of my looks, then please feel free to tag me on my Instagram. The link will be given in the description bar down below. And you know, again, you just do not need a lot of products to create some stunning looks. What do you guys think? Please let me know your thoughts. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So yeah, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.